shopping for a truck about a month ago, and there was no one. First person I called was Chad. I know how he operates and how he does business, and it would be the person I'd want to deal with. And yeah, here I am. Bought a brand new Longhorn Ram from Chad about a month and a half ago. Yeah, I've had the truck since end of February. There's really a few things that I love most about it. First are these headlights. When I go around a corner at night, the headlights actually turn to illuminate where I'm turning into, so it's very easy. You don't have to worry about hitting a bike or anything when I'm going down a dark side street. Next thing is my girlfriend. My girlfriend, she makes these great big amazing cakes, wedding cakes, really tall. So having this flat floor in the back is really handy, that don't have to worry about the cakes when they're going around a corner being uneven and off balance and tipping over. So beautiful flat floor, easy flip up seats. This makes life real easy. She's also only 5 feet tall, so those power deployable running boards down below make it easier for her to get in and out of the truck. So that's something that I know she really loves. Last truck didn't have those, and it was a little bit of a chore to get in, so great feature. Love this panoramic sunroof. Easy to open up when I'm driving to work in the morning. I have the sunroof wide open. So it might be a cold day, but at least I can still get the sun in here. Really help me get in a good mood starting my day, the vitamin D coming in. I'm Jonathan Doucette from St.Albert. It's my new Ram 1500 Longhorn. Absolutely love it. Love dealing with St.Albert Dodge. Great time.